Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming and watching this presentation video. We are from Group 11, and today in this video, we will presentation about various cases of disease and the symptoms. But first, let me introduce our member teams. The first one is Rizky Maulana Putra Pratama with student number 224. The second one is Tsaqif Fikri Hudaa with student number 225. And the third one is me, Gabriel, Stella, Navita with student number 226. And the last one is Awal, Rahmat, Marwangsa with student number 227. How many kinds of pathogens that attack plants? There are three kinds of pathogens that attack plants. The first one is virus, the second one is fungi, and the last one is bacteria. The first one, what is virus? Viruses are microbes that consist of genetic components such as DNA or RNA, which are protected by a protein coat. This protein coat can make the virus survive when attached to its host. Virus-infected plant can be characterized by discolored leaf spots, and improper plant growth. The second one is fungi. There are many different species of fungi, some of which are disease-causing fungi. Fungi or fungus that have entered and infect the body will be difficult to overcome. This is because the fungus has a thick membrane and protects the mushroom core. Plants that are affected by the fungus usually experience yellowing, dry leaf, wilting, and even death.
The last one is bacteria. Bacteria are single-cell organisms that can cause infection in the body. Actually, not all bacteria are bad and cause disease. Bacteria that cause disease are called pathogenic bacteria. If the disease is caused by bacteria, the cut part of the plant will look slimy and smelly. How many types of disease symptoms? Disease in plants can be identified through the appearance of symptoms and signs. The first one is symptoms. Symptoms is expression from the host of pathological disease condition so that a particular disease can be distinguished from other diseases. But when several diseases together attack one plant, the symptoms will be difficult to separate or to determine the main cause because the symptoms that arise are mixed.
Alright, next is morphological and anatomical symptoms of the disease can be divided into hyperplasia, hypoplasia, discoloration, and necrosis. Hyperplasia is exaggerated growth by elongation or enlargement of cells. For example, it can be such as gap. Hypoplasia is regressive growth with the size of the cells that are kind of small, or it can be called dwarf size. Discoloration, it can be a yellow spot caused by virus, bacteria, or fungus. The last one is necrosis, death of the tissue on the skin of wood or leaves that caused by pathogen. It can be such as blight, scorch, or blast.
Sign. Sign is physical evidence of the pathogen that can be seen macroscopically. Signs appear on plant surface and clear to see, especially for disease caused by fungi and bacteria. Signs that often appear can be powdery, mycelium, spot, rust, floor, smooth, mucus, and sclerosia. There are some signs of disease: mycelia, sclerosia, and conidiophores. Mycelia are shaped like wet feather or white cotton that appear on the root, stem, leaf, on the soil surface around plant. Example, Sclerosia rosea fungus on penut. Sclerosia are lump of thickened hyphae attack to stem or water surface around infected plant. Example, Sclerosia on rice stalk attacked by the fungus. And Conidia and Conidiopores. Collection of Conidia and Conidiopores that look like crust or powder on the leaf surface. Example, corn leaf rust caused by the fungus.
That's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention. If you guys have any question, you can write down in the comment section below. Good morning, and once again, thank you.